Yes, very firstly, as you all know, I am Osakwe Wodi. In fact, in our world today, they say, na tree near tree, can make monkey the feature from tree to tree. As at this evening, this night, I deal with one of the most respected political gladiators. The best! A political in Edo State. In fact, I do not know the specific name to use because he's called the crack team. He's called, hold on. The Marshal. At the same time, he's called the Atalo. He's called the Atalo. As at this evening, there is a strong conglomeration between the Togba Field Marshal, the Atalo Troop Movement, the crack team, and the Edo Diaspora Connect. One better part of Abat Obase is that he's very intelligent and stubborn. He's very stubborn. I have no right whatsoever to blow my personal trumpet, but I know that the both of us are in perfect simulacrum. When it comes to characters, because the white man says that your characteristics are what you possess and your reputation. Your characteristics are what you possess and your reputation is what people say about you. I'm never there to be candid with you. I am not here to blow your trumpet. I am not here to blow my trumpet, nor to blow the trumpet of anybody. But one fact about me is this: I continue to speak the truth at all times. I want us to be laconic and direct to the point. Let's go back to the historical antecedents of Abat Obase. Abat Obase came to Edo, please let that music go down. All the way from the diaspora. Sometime in 2014, he was removed from Edo Political Forum. Hold on, clap. To say, Comrade Stanios Azem. My name on Facebook was Comrade Stanios Azem. He now said, Comrade, I will not allow this injustice to take place. I am going to tell Edo Political Forum that the monopoly that they are enjoying in Edo politics and the Edo social media space can be checked. Within 100 days, Abat came out with the Atalo Troop Movement, where I was an admin, he was an admin. John Dina Samu was an admin, and this Lucky Bidejo, who is now a political miscreant, yes, was an admin because he failed. A man who most of Edo people repose confidence on because of stomach infrastructure and resources, he decided to jettison what is right. Jettison the Olopoloi, jettison the Raptors, jettison the Jetons, jettison the Aminu Kano Talakawa. Obase told me, comrade, watch and see what happened. In 100 days, Atalo Truth Movement did not only take over the Edo social media space, it took over the space and created an indispensable niche in the sound of time in Edo politics.
He has been creative for
there was a time
as a leader.
Osakweno and Abatobase went into a political war. While we were fighting, we were still communicating. A friend of mine told me, I said, come, Abba, defend me from media. Follow. He said, I can never be part of that fight. The reason is this. I have seen where you and Abba is communicating on phone. Why I've been on the Facebook, why I cannot be part. When the fight is serious, I'll be part.
Oh.
Then at the end of the day,
politics of no enemy.
At the end of the day, I never knew that there is a media space going on again in Edo. We all believe in Niger.com. The crack team media came into being. As of today, we no longer see Niger.com.
Elephant crack team.
The
media today in Nigeria that can come out to say on social media, I can still speak, is Yaba left.
Hey, come on.
Apart from that, as far as Edo is concerned, the crack team is bigger than any media in Edo State. Both print and electronic media. I am not the kind of guy that pretends. I say it the way it is. And one reason why I continue to grow in life is I do not envy the progress of other people. It went beyond that. About Obase, as we speak today, we were in crisis. I told the world, nobody knows him. But I was invited to his wedding. He told me, comrade, we're at your wedding now. I need to give you IV. I said, leave IV. I'm coming like that. I can come. If not because of about Obase's younger brother. What's his name? You know the
Bryce.
I wouldn't have been able to gain access to that wedding. My leader, distinguished Senator Ige Edobo Zamere, was forced to get up to say, a son of a nobody, inviting a sitting governor to his wedding. I must confess to the fact that today I am enjoying global popularity. This can be directed to two persons. One Stanley OJ in the Western world. Two is Abba Obase. Abba made a statement. He said, Osakweno Kodi, I ain't been an hour, been a piano. Abba no rekete aga. I not told you, I said, come. I not told you, I said, come, Mr. Man. What are you telling me? Me not take who? Me we want that. Yeah. Let me tell you, it takes sincerity to be sincere.
Yes, it takes sincerity.
No politician in Edo State, no activist in Edo State can openly come out to say the reason why I was fighting was because of stomach infrastructure.
Never.
I said it. Why I'm saying this truth is this. Tomorrow, if I am contesting, know me very well. I do not pretend. This is me. What I said, if I cannot talk about you is directly with to your direct face, I can't speak in your back. I am not afraid of anybody. That is why I'm telling the whole world. They are watching us live. I said it before now, so I can't say I'm with my friend. He knew what happened in PDP Secretariat then, the both of us. I met him in his office, we resolved. He knows me. I don't pretend. But the truth is this, Mr. Abbott. I must tell you the fact. Sometime in 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, you were the world's most insulted person on social media.
Exactly today.
No. You were the world's most insulted personality on social media. But you were driving home a point, which as of today, the entire world and our world is I organize the adult diaspora connect worldwide. That is how to know intelligent people. Abba told me, comrade, just watch and see. The Togba Field Marshal is coming. Ordinarily, an average human being who lack capacity will look for a way to fight diaspora connect.
Yes.
To say, hell, let's destroy it. But I said, no. I have proper jealousy. That is kind of jealousy I have. I learn from your own actions. That is why I believe in one thing. Some people say experience is a great teacher. No, I refuse to agree. Experience is a hard teacher. Because it teaches you the consequences of every action.
Exactly.
When you put your
right,
when you put your hand for fire, if you put you say hi, you don't put them again. Or you may learn from the mistake of others. Yes. Experience is a hard teacher. It teaches you the consequences of every action. You need to bear the consequences immediately when you take an action. So Abbott, I decide to personally eulogize you this evening. We will certainly have issues in the future. We will still resolve. We are humans.
Yes.
So the truth remains, that will not change your consistency. How about one fact when I will tell you more forget English? This one not be for the camera. In life, I've learned something from you. If you have not learned anything from me, that's your cup of tea. Let me tell you, loyalty and consistency pays. As of today, I want to say this. I pray that the governor of Edo State should be watching us.
Yes.
I don't pretend. And those who choose to be enemy of progress in the future should be watching. We will beat anybody. Beat, and the word beat. You understand that beat? I know, hold on. Not be defeat. Who will come to envy the success of these our actions? Boom! As we speak today, people are already sleeping in their houses. Abbott will not sleep in his house. Osakonokode will not sleep in his house. Members of the Diaspora Connect Worldwide will not sleep in their houses. Members of Togba Field Marshal, the crack team will not sleep in their house. Then tomorrow, you will not be calculating the benefit that is accruing to this person. I won't deceive anybody. I cannot say what I cannot do. Leeches and acquiescence, which simply means sleeping over your right. My brother, let me tell you. No. The crack team. I pray that the government should be listening to this. Let me tell you the truth. When we started our activity in Diaspora Connect, they told me, comrade, that was why when I was at the support group meeting, I said, even while I'm here, I have been funded by the Diaspora Connect to be here. I do not need a dime from the government. I cannot come here now to deceive people that I am being starved economically. We've spent roughly about 15 million naira as a connect to support Obasanjo.
Ow! That's what
I know how much resources you have spent. The truth is, even if we are not calling on the government to give us, we don't need this money for now. But let me tell you the truth. What is permanent in politics is interest. Anybody where go come later, come envy us or come envy you later. Holy Ghost! So my brother, the crack team boss, continue with your consistency, continue with your fairness, and continue with your justice. One thing about you is this: you believe in justice, and I strongly believe that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice.
Yes. Anywhere.
Who can us who?
Oh, we will.
What here? I salute the crack team boss. I'm concluding by saying 4 plus 4.
PDP! I have never in my life been eulogized like this.
Let me quickly correct it. Hold on, sorry. I'm sorry for using the word eulogize. I only said who talked about who you are. Okay. So continue.
No sugarcoating.
No embellishment.
I've been on my feet for almost 20 minutes. And somebody is speaking positive things about me for 20 minutes. More than 20 minutes.
It's not
like it's saying it for me to be happy.
No.
Or he's saying it for him to get something from me.
No.
He was expressing
It's heartfelt. It's love.
the true things that he feels about me, about the state, about the party, and about my organization practice. My brother, Comrade Stanley Osakweno. Before you came, I told my field marshals, when you called and I said, Osakweno, please don't meet us, meet us here. Yeah. I said, you say no, you don't go. I said, I beg, come here. I am a product of hard work. If you are hardworking, you are focused, you are consistent, and the height of all is integrity. You need integrity to remain consistent. You need integrity to be focused. And you need integrity to stand for what you believe in. As we speak today in a no political space, Osakweno is worth over 500 million. As we speak today, about Obasanjo Field Marshals crack team, we are worth over 500 million naira. The Tigers and the Lions in Edo today, we are more political. Myself and my brother Osakweno, we are more political value than them.
That's true.
We have influenced more voters. We have influenced more voters' participation than these Tigers and Lions. Anytime you see Osakweno online, you see 500 people watching, you see 1,000 people watching, you see 1,500 people watching, you see engagement, you see comments. As I talk to you today, before EBS, Edo Broadcasting Service owns their gen in the morning. Myself and Osakuno Body, we hit over 50,000 audience.
In the morning.
Oh, okay.
That is the power of social media. I'm sure many people are like, why Albert and Osakuno don't ever they get issue? The first time when two of us they get issue was when I was pushing something. He didn't get it at the beginning because of maybe the way I was pushing it. To be sincere and to be fair to him, he called me. He said, why you didn't fight this guy? I didn't really take our time to explain to him. And he said, if you don't stop, you do it like this. That was the first time. He didn't fight me for his personal gain or for his personal gain. He thought I was doing the wrong thing. And I believe by today, he knows better.
Absolutely.
He knows better. See, Osakuno Kwodi was the first person. I was in faraway Mexico.
Yes.
Faraway Mexico in 2014.
No be lie.
2015. I was just doing my normal social media engagement.
Yes.
He called me one morning. He said, your name is everywhere. Almost all the party leaders, they say, who be this Albert when they Mexico? He said, stop commenting, start posting. What a clap for her.
Hey,
Well, I don't carry respect person.
No, no.
He said, you don't forget. He said, no, they do normal comments. They raise posts. He said, you have grown. Raise posts and let people engage. Let us come to your wall.
Hey,
And the first post I raised, I took my time to write the post. Was Julius? Can you remember?
yes.
Which post?
Wait, no, wait. If you just say one thing now,
No, ShopRite.
Yeah.
I remember.
you remember? Can you?
I raised a post that Izeyamu is frustrating Oshomole from giving Edo ShopRite.
Hey,
You need to see the amount of attack, the amount of attacks that came from the likes of. Stop! What are you doing?
easy now.
You need to see the attacks we got from the likes of Edoko, Baron Mike, all these cyber urchins praising Oshomole today. They clamp down on the post. Say, Albert, how can you say Izeyamu is frustrating Oshomole from giving Edo ShopRite?
We never knew that it was a collaborative stand.
And today, Izeyamu and his boys are now defending Oshomole for failing to give Edo ShopRite. And today, we now have Azura. We now have Jara. We now have Osiamo. We have MOU. MOU is working under the wake and see government. This man that you see today, I cannot envy him. And I will never envy him.
Never.
What we are doing, we are always collaborating.
Exactly.
And we will continue to collaborate.
Follow for follow.
See, the only person I cannot collaborate with in this life as far politics is concerned is Dion
Osage Oshino.
because his intention is not genuine.
No, it's not genuine.
Diaspora Connect has come to stay. And by the grace of God, Diaspora Connect will remain in the political space of Edo.
Exactly.
Diaspora Connect is doing everything they need to do to sustain good governance in Edo. They are not flaunting sick people to collect money.
No.
They are not doing fake charity to collect money. This is a political and a social group. And whatever you do for them, they don't put abe on your neck. They don't fake anything. Anywhere I see Osakolo standing, I am always happy. When he was on the fence, I was praying for him to
cut up your side.
make that for see, to be frank, we're all praying for him to come down from the fence. But at a point, we don't know the same way we're from. And this is what man that doesn't fake. He will tell you that he's in the face because he's aggrieved.
Yes.
He will tell you the side that will benefit the masses. And he will tell you the side that will benefit you. He will tell you even when I was engaging him, I was careful. Because I was praying that when he stepped down from the fence,
You should take side.
and I am glad today with special appreciation to the leader of my local government, Barrister Osarajo Ogie, Honorable Matthew Dwerekene.
The leader.
He called me one day. He said, Albert, if na money, I know we'll call that for fence. If na petrol your contract or appointment, I know we'll call that for fence. But because of Osarajo Ogie and Honorable Matthew Dwerekene, I did with you.
Clear road.
Say Gio Kolamo, not be like the way some people
Call them.
to endorse Izeyamu. He say, Barrister Osarajo Ogie call me, and the leaders in the local government say Obaseki Emaguro. He not collect 1 naira to come down from fence. And as he come down from fence,
Reactivate.
he come begin to get
The opponents.
They be say, I want to show them. I remember the day when Sasosage sent a message. Sasosage say, I thought.
Yeah, somebody.
Sasosage say, you are now with the governor. I thought you were a human being. He insulted. He can't reply. Sasosage say, tell us
Which kind of statement is this?
that.
Yeah,
Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you? That's a response that he gave to Sasosage. See, feed marshals all over the world, Togwarians. As far as the social media space is concerned, we are very few. We are very, very few. Get when they do social media for government, when they come here, I hardly pick their calls.
Okay.
If you are playing safe, if you come here, we never pick your call.
Never.
You are playing safe, you are playing careful. Name where you don't go measure, you don't go measure. You can't do live video and measure on Shomole's name. You can't do live video and measure on Izeyamu's name. You can't do live video and measure on Katosa's name.
Time of war.
And you are calling me.
Agba.
We know, see, we know many. That's why when he come and say, why ye come here? Come join us. Make we enjoy because we have won this fight.
Confirm.
What they are relying on is rigging.
Rigging will not work.
I do not work.
See, 2 months ago, all these Tada alliance, they were boasting that by this time they go don't arrest us, carry go Abuja, burn our houses. Now me and you day here today now. We are balling. We are enjoying. Tigers and the Lions, they are hiding. Because Buhari has told them that Edo election will be free and fair.
That's worrying.
Please, if you love me, you love Feed Marshals, you love my brother, Comrade Stanley Osakwonokwoji, all you need to do on that day, we already have the votes. We already have people that are going to vote for us. All you need to do on that day is to protect your vote. It better say you can't show me say they break my head when they try to protect votes. They say they all come and wrong. See, the mouth they do.
Obaseki na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Emata na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Emata na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Abati na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Abati na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Julius na big man. Who no one call us small boy.
I just want to appreciate my brother. Just the way he talks, say we feel quarrel in future. But today, the project when the two of us carry, he is genuine. He is genuine. And he sincerely wants the government to succeed. Let me tell you what they are planning now. After our mega rally today, the Lagos Godfather and the Yamo Godfather, we will date Joshua when you tell me say, me never reach stadium. You say Ambali, crowd when they stadium. Over 25,000 people are sitting with rain on the touch.
Yes.
Governor cap.
Everywhere.
Before, I just the VIP.
That's, yeah, you're right.
Today, the whole stadium. You see the black people. Rain on the people seated comfortably in the first time in a history for over 25,000
capacity. Yes.
Rain not touch the governor.
This is the reason why we say there is something that makes me come into your government. There is something that makes me come into your government. Obaseki, our helper, oh Lord helper, His helper, oh my helper. There is something that makes us come into your government. Obaseki.
For the first time. Now this night I dey tell una so. Who hear make it tell who never hear.
Who say I don't know when I can go. Continue.
They applied for their mega rally for the ball stadium where we used to be. They applied. And me, I dey very sure say the government approved. Which I need to confirm to Buhari today. I am sure that the government approved that place for them to. May not be like say government not green. But today, I'm telling you that they have cancelled that place. You know, yes.
Really?
Yeah, wait. You know why? They don't go fill the stadium. See, they are using. They are trying to use two venues now. Either Garrick or Uniben. Either tomorrow or next tomorrow, I will see them there. That one with the Tigers and the Lions, they are planning to say they are going to map about 150 Tigers and Lions. Those are they say like a deal. If you go this side, they will break your head. They will say you call this out. The camera will fit capture us. What they are trying to do now is to fake crowd. Today, God will not fake anybody. Run the stadium.
Run the stadium.
Before you continue, I want to ask a question. That's what I connect. They give money up on one naira to go to the stadium. Talk about Fit Marshal. They give money up on 1 naira to go to the but we know, say 2.5 billion. Then they want to mobilize people.
Exactly.
Continue, my brother.
So, they are doing their rally this night. They are in a meeting. The rally will be tomorrow or next.
Tomorrow.
It will be tomorrow or next, but 2.5 billion. They are going to back, and each person is going to be 3,500 per person.
That's for sure.
That's what they are going to release to the heads of the Tigers and the Lions. Those are going to use a level, give people 1,500. They'll collect for inside. They are greedy, they are selfish. It's all about them.
Purely egocentric.
That is why Izeyamu will never be governor in the state. No, but Izeyamu knows he's not going to be governor. You know, challenge debates. He himself don't already know, say he's not going to be governor.
Yes,
so, my friends, my brothers, the diaspora connect. My supporters, they follow them. There are someone they follow me. They don't call me. My uncle don't call them. What I tell them is, if we get 3-4 Osakwolokodi, we are okay. We are okay. Ele is a general in this campaign. When it comes to mobilization, Osakwolokodi is a general. And is somebody that's encouraged me to where I am today politically. You are highly respected. You are highly appreciated. You are highly recognized in this government. I don't see governor like that today. And they hardly see governor. If when they come on rally, everybody they go governor house, I don't they go. Nobody will tell governor say I dey walk. Now governor will tell me say Abba you are walking. Because people will tell him. Nobody will tell him. Now people will tell me say also when you are or yeah. With the matter no, you have never told me that you are walking and people will tell me. People that you they see what they do and people they tell you to. I know they hardly go governor house because not be there the vote they streets which me and this man and some other people cover.
Yes.
The governor cannot reward you, the governor cannot reward your team. But your children will grow tomorrow. The way people went there and Busali government and to say it. My brother, people they listen to us. We are good to go. The highest message today is come Saturday. Go to your polling unit. Vote. No go there alone. No.
Vote for righteousness.
And when you vote finish, don't go anywhere. Stay. Make them count your votes.
Defend your vote.
As you count on it, and as a pastor, follow the vote. Go to the World Coalition Center. When you reach there, senior men at the world level will take over the vote. Their role is to protect at the world level. You can vote that you do. Then the world, our own world agent, who will bring our vote, will now take the vote from there to the local government coalition center. They will now hand over it to our people there. Those ones will now protect the vote and take it to the state coalition center. And me, Abatabaze, and my brother, Osakwolokodi, will go see us for the state coalition center.
Oh, that's fun. Excuse me. One message now, what we send here. I don't talk them in the morning. I want to repeat them again. Why this election they go on? Our brothers and sisters where the diaspora will not come. Ensure say you carry protest. to your capital or anywhere you dey in the world, raise the attention of your government to focus on Edo.
Yes.
Make sure when the election they go on the vote, let protests be taking place across all capitals around the world. Because Edo join one of the world's most traveled persons.
Yes.
We are everywhere in the world.
Yes.
Even this one have been tamed. Make 10 of them going to say, President, listen to a election.
Yes, exactly.
President, let the protest take place around the country.
Every local.
No, let it be peaceful. Whichever way you are in that country, you know what is obtainable. Then, when you are doing that, then those lions and tigers go know, say, the world is concerned about the election. That is one.
Sorry, bro.
Two, ensure, say, you call your people for here, because we have over 50,000 adults in the diaspora supporting Obaseki. Not because Obaseki is too handsome, not because he is ugly or he's short, no, because he has been able to establish a pedestal for sustainable development. So because of this, if one diaspora bring 5 persons, times by 50,000, you know how many we could get as votes. So you will call them tomorrow, call them next tomorrow. They ensure, say, now you wake them up by 6 a.m. in the morning on election day before you carry out your protest. I can assure you they carry the election. That is one. That is two. Then thirdly, when you vote for your coalitions, for your polling unit, hand over the result as my brother told. Then when they come the day to announce the election result, all of you be at the INEC. Everybody, when they see the crowd, for us, when they talk, say, we dey wait, we dey wait, we dey wait. Even if say they receive call for anywhere, say, announce this person. He go not say, if you no let her come out if you are not the wrong one. How many they go fit key for the people where they do? I'm a house and 2,000. They can't kill anybody. The whole world should be at the INEC headquarters. Osakwe, nobody will be there. Let me tell you the truth. Egbe no more police. I mean no favor.
Wow,
So we are not afraid. In fact, I don't have to talk before. If they mistakenly arrest somebody like Osakwe Nobody, I will reign. I will reign. In fact, they're supposed to ignore me now. May remain in nobody that I am. Than for you to arrest. Because if you arrest me, I will be international figure. I know how to pull my string. So the truth is this. Diasporas make that call. There are some of you, according to Isaiah Yamu, he said, some of you can do your unit and go to other units. Some of you are so dangerous. So in my own way, some of you are so wise that you can mobilize more than that 5, which is the minimum.
Yes.
Some of you can mobilize 100. Some of you can mobilize 50. As of today, we have supplied printed shirts to more than 10 persons. People from that person, your print, this one something. We supplied it. All these ones are given to people who can take part in the elections. So with 50,000 votes, 5 per person in diaspora, Obaseki is already nearing winning. Not to talk of those of us who are on ground and what we are going to do in the election day. They carrying the election, and I'm glad today we can talk. Okowa talker. All other governors will come talk. The right tax self don't speak. So my brother,